Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, from paulandsaul.com. And in this video, I want to talk about 3 setups to the short side for the week of July 4th, 2016. Now, of course, July 4th is a United States holiday. It is a bank holiday. The market's closed. So these setups will only be actionable from July 5th moving forward, but the week technically starts July 4th because it's a Monday. So, okay. All right. So let's start by looking at the S&P 500. Now, if you notice, I have the IVV up. The IVV is just a way of looking at the S&P 500 using an ETF. And if you notice, on the Brexit day, we have the big gap and then we have the bounce. Now, look at the price, 211.13. It's not going to line up with the SPY, but the SPY has this bad tick, at least in Thinkorswim. So the price action is the same here. I just like using IVV because it's more accurate with the gap and all that. Okay. So after the Brexit announcement, the market had 2 days to the downside and then 3 nice days up. And then Friday was an okay day. It closed green, but it obviously wasn't like what we saw Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So now everybody is saying, okay, we're on our way to new highs again. And I'm not going to argue that in this video, but there is a good chance that we may pause or pull back at least one more time before we get to those highs. So I wanted to look at stocks that performed like crap while the broad market was bouncing, and I came up with 3 stocks that I've highlighted. Now, I don't know if you like to short stocks, or maybe you take these stocks with puts, or maybe you sell calls against them, or maybe you just want to watch to see if I know what I'm talking about. Whatever the reason, these 3 stocks may continue down even if the market does get a bounce. So I always like to have the wind at my back. I like to have the market backing up the side that I'm leaning to, but these setups are off of weak bounces and they may continue lower even if the market does decide to rise. So let's go through them. First one is Paratech Pharmaceuticals, and Paratech was up here just about at 19, had the sharp move down, and is now on a bounce and a bear flag. It held 12, but if it goes through 12 the next time, could get a pretty nice, there we go, washout here into, well, they're already in that gap. Sorry, what was I looking at? Okay, into single digits. All right, so we'll see if that is the case here. Maybe it holds 12 and gets the bounce, but that's one to watch. The second stock I want to look at is Actuant Corp. All right, that's how I pronounce it. It's probably wrong, but ATU is the symbol. And again, push down. This is earnings based to accelerate it here. And then look, during the Brexit bounce, got a lame bounce, and then had the reversal candle. Not really a true reversal candle because we still closed above the open, but, I mean, it is an inverted hammer. We got the gap fill, and then we reversed there. So this is also one I'm watching. First target would be down here at the 2016 lows at 2049. And the final stock is Weight Watchers, symbol WTW, and I think I'm pronouncing that right. And you could see that we were in a range. It's still in a range technically, but we were in a tight range here. Brexit did push Weight Watchers lower, but look at what Weight Watchers did when we got the Brexit bounce. Didn't do anything. It's in a coil here. If it releases to the downside, I'm looking at the 2016 lows at a first target at 10.03. So three stocks to watch: Weight Watchers, WTW, Actuant Corp, I believe it's pronounced ATU, and Paratech Pharmaceuticals, PRTK. For more videos just like this one, sign up to our mailing list. It's absolutely free at paulandsaul.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate any feedback you would give me so I know what you're looking for in future videos. Have a great trading week, and I'll talk to you soon.